Oh, this will be the best part. Coming up to a whole bunch of dogs. They will have fun.
Finley, get here. Finley.
Hello, beautiful. Hi, guys. Aren't you so cute? Yes, I'm coming.
Finley, let's go. Finley, come on.
Well, we found some more puppies down here at the puppy beach. Huh? What is that? That looks like a pretty puppy, huh? There's all kinds of friends here. Get in the water. Go ahead, swim. They certainly do love the water.
Come on. Ellie. There's a lot of puppies here. Probably 20 or 30 maybe.
This poodle certainly seems to like Jazzy. Huh? This is the lowest I have ever seen the water here, but we're here at low tide. My friend Marsha is also recording. There goes Hunter. Ooh, there's Emmy, there's Indy. Look at this, almost looks like Rhonda, but I know it's not. Oh, she's having a ball. She's a big girl. What do you think, Jazzy? Go play. No words are needed when you see this kind of joy. Oh yeah, this is the best. This is the best. Go play. Go get him. Go swim. Oh, we have some more puppies showing up.
We don't care if it's a big dog or little dog.
Big Newfoundland over there. He's beautiful. What's in that water?
He's friendly. But he likes to kiss. Oh, that's okay.
Go ahead, play. I think she's wore out already. She already went into one of her little asthma attacks because she was trying to sniff the water and the sand. And that always gets her. It's not like being in fresh water, is it, sweetie? the places that I remember driving by last year that were totally destroyed are in the process of being repaired, and of course some places will never come back just yet, but it's just quite a good feeling to see them coming back. I drove through here last year. This area over here last year, I remembered that it was nothing but empty places where houses had once been, and street after street. Well, there's somebody that's got their boat. It's somebody that's got their camper on their property. Looks like they're going to be willing to try to come back. Really got to remember that Mother Nature is boss. There's a big empty lot over there to my left. Lots of beachy areas, but I'm sure there were buildings here at one point. Community, now an empty lot. Of course, they had another storm come through this spring. I don't know that it was quite as damaging as the last one, but no doubt it did its fair share of repeat.
back here.
He's here. He's right here.
He is?
He is.
Oh,
He
thank
figured
God.
it out.
Good baby. Good job, guys. Well, see, there's another hole way up that way. That's where they've
Yeah.
been coming in and out.
Look at these little babies. Are they cute or what?
They're babies. They're only about a week old.